Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to make some French toast. So the ingredients you need is you're going to need 2 eggs, a fourth of a cup of milk, a fourth a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and as much cinnamon sugar as you want. So you're going to grab a bowl, and the first thing you're going to do is crack your 2 eggs into the bowl. If you've never cracked an egg before, you want to tap it against the end, put your 2 thumbs in the middle of the crack, and then separate. Okay, there's 1 egg. There's 2 eggs. I'm going to rinse my hands really quick. Alright, then you're next going to add your fourth a cup of milk. Then you need a fourth a teaspoon of vanilla extract. A little bit of vanilla extract goes a long way, so you don't want to add too much. And then I'm going to mix this up before I add my cinnamon sugar. You can use a fork to mix it up. You can use a whisk to mix it up. It's totally up to you and whatever utensils you have at home. I'm using a fork, as you can see right here. Alright, so now I'm going to add my cinnamon sugar. I love a lot of cinnamon sugar on my French toast. So I put a ton of cinnamon sugar on it. And even when I'm making my French toast, I usually add a lot more too. Alright. And then I'm just going to mix that in just a little bit. And that's how you make your French toast batter. Alright, and now we're back and we're ready to start making the French toast. So the first thing I like to do is I like to put a little bit of butter on my griddle. You could, if you don't have a griddle, you are more than welcome to use a skillet at home if you have, or if you have an electric griddle you want to use, you can use that too. So, I'm using honey wheat bread. You can use whatever kind of bread you have at home. I'm going to move my bowl a little bit closer. So you're going to take your bread, you're going to dip it into your egg mixture, and then you'll put it on your skillet to cook. Dip it in the mixture, and put it right on your skillet to cook. I usually rinse my hands in between every single one because then you're getting eggs all over your fingers. And then you just let it cook for a little bit. If you really like cinnamon, you could add a little bit more cinnamon just on top of your bread. Your first 2 French toast, or your first French toast, usually takes the longest. After that, it goes by pretty quick. You can check on it every so often to see if it looks done. You'll know it's done when it starts browning up a little bit on the bottom. So I'll check this one out. That's not quite done yet. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and flip them. Again, if you want to add a little more cinnamon, you can. I'll bring you in a little closer so you can see what it looks like. The next side shouldn't take as long to cook. Once it's golden brown, you'll know it's ready to go. And you have French toast.